Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to learn the Chinese dance trend. Remember, this is a tutorial only, so if you want to practice with the music and add different speeds, you can check the other video and the shorts as well. All the links are in the description below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so we're going to do mirrored, meaning this is your right and this is your left. So it's going to start with right hand with a fist, left hand is flat, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do 2 fingers. Yes. And the right hand is going to go behind the left hand. And then it's going to circle and go in front of the left hand. Yes. So the right hand is going to the right, the left hand is going to the left. Yes, and make sure your wrists stay connected. Yeah, so we were here, so right hand in the back, and we do 1. We reverse the circle, we reverse again, and we reverse. We do that 4 times. Yeah, so we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're gonna do up and shoulders and boom, hands together. Yeah? So you're gonna do circle in, fingers up. Yeah? For this one, you can have the thumb out if you want. Yeah? So circle in, up, circle out, and fingers on your shoulders, cross your arms, and open your arms, and on your upper body, and palms of the hands together. Yeah? Again, so circle up, circle, cross, open your arms, torso, hands together. Yeah? One last time. So we do 1, 2, and 3, 4. Yeah? From the beginning. Yeah? So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Then we redo the same thing. Yeah? So this again. This, and from here, wrist connecting again, right hand behind your left hand, and you're going to do the circle again and fist. Yes, and the right hand is going to come above your left hand. Yes, so boom. Yeah, so second time, up, cross, and circle, fist. And from here, you're going to push, yes, with your hands open and your fingers spread as much, yeah, they spread as much as you can, yeah, and you press, yes, and you head lift a little bit, yes. So again, from this spot, the first time. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, again. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Yeah, so from here, right hand behind, circle, fist, and push. From here, we're going to go circle with the hand again. So the right hand go to the right, the left hand go to the left. Yes. Really spread your fingers, yeah? And from here, we're going to close the fingers one at the time. So we're going to start with the pinky, and then it's going to follow, and the thumb is going to be last, yeah? For both hands, the same thing, while you turning your hands, yeah? So that's a bit slower, yes? Everything is so fast, but this is a little bit slower. So it's going to be on 1, 2, you bring them together, 4. Yeah? Tips of the fingers are touching. Yeah? Not the full palm of the hand, just the tip of the fingers. Yeah? Let's do that again from the top. Yeah? So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're gonna go with the hands going down, up. Then we're gonna go to the right, palm, palm. So this time, this one, the left one, is gonna go down. Wrists are still connected, yeah? Palm, and you come back. And then you stay in that position, and you go to the left, and to the right again in that position, yeah? So the first one is down in the center. Second one is to the right, but the left hand go down and come back to the left, to the right. Yes? So again from this spot the first time. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? And from here, we start with the beginning part again. Doing 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that's finished. Yeah? That's it. Let's go again very slowly from the top. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.